Hi guys, it's Hannah and Hailey. We're gonna sing Payphone by Maroon 5 featuring Wiz Khalifa. Here we go. I have to burp. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time where we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Oh, you turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time where we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. I mean, F that I'll be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me I'm stunting. And all of my cross it with a push of a button, telling me my chances I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch a number to my phone so you never can call it. Don't need my name on my shows, tell them I'm ballin'. Swish, what a shame could I got picked. Had a really good game but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see on the top, what you could have saw, but sad to say it's over for. Then I pull up, valet, open door. Was like go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of wish, yeah. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Wow, that's actually really good. My pants are flying down, guys. Now I have to try my belly button, guys. Okay, well that was, I didn't just do that. Alright, well bye.